Hello and welcome back to another video. Today, and at this very moment, you are to understand something that will help you on your journey in life. This is a very important message for you because lately, you may have been questioning and wondering why you are so alone during your journey. You may have fallen out with the friends you thought would be around forever, and you may not talk to your family anymore. It's not that you don't like them anymore, but it's almost like you don't really want to be around anyone. And when you are around them, you feel so many different emotions. Things just don't feel right anymore, and all you can think about is just going back home for alone time. If that resonates with you in any way, you aren't doing anything wrong. Trust me, you're not missing out on anything right now. You have to be alone during your spiritual journey. And here are a couple of reasons why. Well, first, most of your beliefs and the way you perceive things aren't really what you want them to be. You have been taking on society's ways of thinking and your friends' and family's ways of thinking. You have to be isolated so that you can become aware of that. You'll start to see and question why you even think the way you think. You were never meant to follow any crowd, you are a leader, but your upbringing may have taken that realization away from you. You stand now, without even trying to. It's always been that way. When you are isolated, you are getting the chance to change everything, to start over with a new way of thinking. And you can't do that when you're always around others. Secondly, being isolated forces you to go within. The most important thing you can do in life is become aware of what's going on within, because that's where everything starts. When you are isolated, it forces you to find the answers to your problems on your own. That's why it's so painful, though, because you are feeling and releasing trauma in the body, you are constantly trying to change your thought patterns. You have this desired future for yourself, and the universe has seen how bad you want it, so you were forced into isolation to go within. You can't just go to sleep and wake up and everything is done for you. Understand that certain things have to happen in order for you to be the person you have always wanted to be, and a brand new life means a new environment, a new mindset, new belief systems, and new ways of perceiving life. Everything has to change, but it's all changing for you. It's all happening just so you can get exactly what you want. The third reason you are isolated on your spiritual journey is so that you can embody your spiritual energy. Most of us walk around giving our energy away. Maybe toxic people come into our lives and they unconsciously take our energy away, leaving you feeling drained, leaving you feeling unworthy. They just take it all away from you. They take away your life energy. When you are isolated, you will learn how to take it all back. You are breaking toxic energetic bonds with the toxic relationships you had. It could have been with friends, with a girlfriend or boyfriend, or even your parents and family. A lot of people who are spiritual grew up feeling like they needed to give their energy away to be accepted, so they people please. And they can feel others' energies on a very intense level. Empaths are created from that kind of upbringing. But once you can bring your energy back, and you learn how to stay in it no matter what, you will become so powerful. Empaths are very. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Soulful Explorations. We hope you have gained valuable insights and inspiration on your journey towards personal growth and spiritual fulfillment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on future videos. Until next time, remember to keep expanding your mind, elevating your spirit, and continue on your path of self-discovery. Namaste.